Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know I haven't posted, but I recently came back from Las Vegas where I stayed at the Westgate, Las Vegas Resort and Casino, and I was there for about three nights, attending the travel goods show at the Las Vegas Convention Center next door. So in this video, I will show you guys a casino walkthrough and a room tour. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe. I'm barely at 118 subscribers, so just growing slowly but surely. Thank you. Nice size bed. Let's see, got a nice size TV, a safe, a fridge, nice, a little desk, cute couch. Are there any USB ports? No, but there's plugs. Oh yeah, there are USB ports right there. And then let's see what the view is. I could kind of see the sphere down the way. That's cool. So I'm pretty much here for the travel goods show. So this is a nice hotel room. It's kind of dark. I got the room with my American Express hotel points. So there's the Westgate. I like the desk and I like the chair. So at this point in the video, I was on a hunt for some water and Diet Coke since there wasn't any water in my room. While we're going down the elevator, I'll give you guys some fun facts. So Elvis performed 837 consecutive sold-out shows at the International Hotel, which now it's called the Westgate, and that was from 1969 to 1976. And his show Elvis in Person at the International Hotel was recorded live and it became a hit album. We are looking for some water and maybe a tequila drink. Found a gift shop that sold sodas, sandwiches, chips, water. So this is where I kept coming back to every day. They didn't have Diet Coke, so I had to settle for Diet Pepsi. Another fun fact about this hotel, in 1971, the James Bond film Diamonds Are Forever filmed scenes at this actual casino. Another fun fact, this hotel was a presidential and celebrity hotspot. Richard Nixon gave a speech here in 1971, and Michael Jackson stayed in the hotel's 5,000 square feet King Suite, which is now called the Elvis Suite. Other celebrities like Liberace, Frank Sinatra, and Dean Martin, they came to this casino all the time. Benihana. We love Benihana. Fresco Italiano. I am on the hunt for an espresso martini.